Right, those barrel pump sticks only cost me £10. Up to £200 you can pay for a commercial one. I'll show them in detail at the end of the video. I'll try and keep it short, the video, yeah? 5 to 8 minutes. For some reason, I've used quite a lot of water. I think I know why. I'll check that later. Yeah? Right, just to show you all the setup. I think there's 22 barrels now connected up. Yeah, they're all 2/3 full at present. Barrel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I think. 15. Water from here into here. And drain pipe 1. Drain pipe 2. Drain pipe 3 into that. That's feeding all the rest. They're all going up together, yeah. All fed together by the same source. Drain pipe 5 and gutter 5. 2/3 full. It was 9/10 full yesterday. Right, that last one, one of the first ones I did was up there, joined to here. 2/3 full. Pipe all the way to there, along to the top end there. That one's actually not connected yet. 2/3 full. Actually, it's a little bit more than 2/3 there. We'll see. Shouldn't be. And so I'm about to put a fuse on this tomorrow. It needs a 10 amp fuse. No big deal. It's only 12 volts. That, yeah. Feeding me my melons and strawberries at present. Yeah. I'll have to use my proper camera for this, but never mind. I've got to wind up the polytunnel as well. Right, they're all going there. One or two tuning in, I think. So they're all. I think I'm getting these. I think they're feeding these pipes when the pump's not going. Couple of reaction. Yeah. Right, that's less than 2/3 full now, I would say. Pumping there cost me £10, all the bits and bobs. There's a now that pump has been left to run dry in the past, last week, for over an hour. Still works, won't burn out, but mechanically it won't do it much good. But it's been alright. A bit not different noise now because it needs priming again, but no big deal. I'll leave that to run. Yeah. So we'll come in a second, in a few minutes rather, revisit that when it's okay. Now these 22 barrels are all connected, and they're connected absolutely everywhere.